once when Jesus was passing through a street. Everyone started stepping back.
No one wanted to be near him. They said he was unclean. So he stopped trying, stopped hoping. But then, someone walked toward him.
Don't go near him!
You're not untouchable.
And in that moment, everything changed.
I'm healed.
But the miracle wasn't just the healing.
You were never meant to be alone. People avoided you. But I never did. I am willing. You are no longer broken. Stay, and we'll take this one step at a time.